Okay, so as we've talked in the past geologically, we're on a boundary between two calderas. So you can imagine a volcano, it exploded, much like Mount St. Helens back in 1980, and it blew up and there was a crater left. And at that time that it blew up, that's when the gold and silver mineralization occurred, at least in the northern caldera, what we call the Tonopah caldera. And based on our 2022 drill program and reviewing and relogging the holes from the 2020 and 2021 drilling programs, we started to notice that the units that we see inside the caldera, and we were able to make a distinction between those that were outside the caldera. And one of the things that came out of that is we could see most of the high grade mineralization was following that caldera margin. So that was a change from our 2022 resource, in the fact that we tried to make things more east-west when we can see that the caldera is actually swinging from a more east-northeast to an east-west to a more northwest type orientation, and that's that blue line on the right side of the slide. That becomes very important, because when we start to hook the veins up and kind of model that margin, what we notice is that they follow it quite closely. And that gave us a lot better continuity with the grade, and also linked up some veins that were kind of orphaned by itself, so thus increasing the tonnage.